DJ6Pro. Compare with the old model mini machines. The engraving area is increased. XY axis structure is strengthened to reduce failures. The laser head power is enhanced and added a laser protective cover. DJ6Pro machine. Blue light laser head. Cutting board. U-disc. Type-C data cable. Power cord. Heightening. Hexagonal wrench. Engraving materials. User manual. Glasses. Open the protective cover. Install the laser head. Lay the machine down. Blue laser head. Connection port. Slide rail. Let's install the laser head. The interface of the laser head. Insert the machine's connection cable into the blue laser head. Lift the slide rail on the machine. Align the slide of the blue laser head with the slide on the machine. Then slide it in. Tighten the screw on the machine. This is used to fix the laser head. This is the installation completed. Lift the machine. Power cord. Plug in the power cord. Turn on. Wait for the machine to reset. Place the cutting board. This is to prevent the carving from being on the table. We put a piece of wood. Is used for focusing and engraving. The accuracy of laser engraving largely depends on the precise focus adjustment. The DJ6Pro's laser head focus adjustment is very intuitive. Pull the laser head above the carving object. Turn the fixed focus rod on the laser head 90 degrees back. Loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head. Lower the laser head until the fixed focus rod touches the carved object. This is a key step to engrave a clear pattern. Otherwise, it will be unclear or the edges will be irregular. First, tighten the fixed knob. Then retract the fixed focus rod. This is the end of focusing. Plug in the connection cable between the machine and the computer. USB plugged into the computer. Plug the Type-C interface into the machine. The interface of the laser head. Connect the machine's cable to the interface of the laser head. Lift up the slide rail of the machine. Align the rail of the laser head with the rail of the machine. Then tighten the knob to fix the laser head. This is done. Next, focus. First, remove the focusing block of the red laser head. Then loosen the knob that fixes the laser head. Adjust the height of the laser head until the fixed focus column touches the engraved object. This is a key step in carving a clear pattern. Then tighten the knob that fixes the laser head. Then put away the focusing column. Then the focusing is completed. Turn on the machine after plugging in the power cable. Then open the DJ Laser software. Click Connect Device, and it shows Connected. It's connected. Computer software installation. Plug in the USB flash drive. Open the USB drive folder. There are a series of software installation files below. Click Windows DJ6Pro on Android. Copy this compressed package. Then paste it to the desktop or other disks. Right-click to extract the compressed package. Open the extracted folder. You can directly double-click DJ Laser in the folder, or create a shortcut to DJ Laser on the desktop. Right-click DJ Laser. Click to show more options. Click Send to. Desktop shortcut. That's it. Then double-click to open the software directly. Then the software installation is completed. Click Connect Device. It shows disconnected. The device is connected successfully. Lightburn connection. Click Devices. Import. Find the DJ6Pro folder. Click softworld_GRBL DJ6Pro. Lightburn. Then click on DJ6Pro. CIN fung.lb dev. Click to open. If there is DJ6Pro, it means the import is successful. Then click OK. Click here. Click DJ6Pro. Once the connection is successful, the computer will reset automatically.